Hello students, today I am going to take up lesson 15 of social studies or agriculture. Majority of Indian population lives in the villages. The main occupation of the people in the villages is agriculture. 70% of the people of our country are farmers. They grow many kinds of crops such as rice, wheat, sugarcane, jute, millets, cotton, tea, coffee, oilseeds, spices, and pulses. When India became independent, our food production was very less. It was not enough to satisfy the needs of the people. We used to import food crops from other countries. However, the independent India adopted various methods and techniques to increase the food production. It is known as the Green Revolution. Now our country has become self-sufficient in food crops. We even export food crops to other countries. This increase in production was due to the use of better seeds, fertilizers, manure, machines, and irrigation facilities. Basically, two seasonal crops are grown in India. They are Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Rabi crops. The crops sown in October or November and harvested in March or April are known as Rabi crops, as wheat, mustard, barley, and gram. Kharif crops. The crops sown in June and harvested in September or October are known as Kharif crops, as rice, bajra, millets, jute, etc. Further, these crops can be classified into food crops and cash crops. Food crops. Food crops are the crops which are consumed as food. For example, rice, wheat, pulses, etc. Cash crops. Cash crops are the crops which are grown to be sold or exported. For example, sugarcane, tea, rubber, etc. They help farmers to earn good money. Food crops. Rice. Rice is grown during the monsoon season. It requires flat land and a plenty of water. Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Assam, West Bengal, Bihar, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Kerala are the main producers of rice. In the world, India is the second largest producer of rice. Wheat. Wheat is the staple food of the people living in northern India. It is a winter crop. It is mainly grown in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. Pulses. Gram, moong, masoor, and arhar are the examples of pulses. They are grown in almost every part of India. Millets. Jowar, bajra, and ragi are called millets. They are grown in hot climate where rainfall is low. They are grown in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. Cash crops. Sugarcane. It is used for making sugar. It is mainly grown in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Bihar, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Cotton and jute. Cotton and jute are known as fiber crops. Cotton is used for making cloth. It grows well in the Deccan Plateau and also in Gujarat. Jute is used for making gunny bags, carpets, mats, bags, etc. West Bengal is the largest producer of jute in India. Tea. Tea is called as beverage crop. Tea is mainly grown in Assam, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and Kerala. Oil seeds. Groundnut, mustard, linseed, sunflower, Castor and coconut are the important oil seeds grown in India. Oil obtained from them is used for cooking purposes and also for manufacturing soaps. Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu are the leading producers of oil seeds. Spices: cardamom, black pepper, cloves, and ginger are the main spices. They grow well in Kerala. Rubber: it is grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. It is used for making tires and tubes for vehicles and for making many other things.